Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red and this is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at how to back up your data using Google Cloud. So stay here, leave a like on the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, get all the notifications for the newest videos. Okay, so friends, family, my customers have all asked me so many times how they can back up all of their data, their contacts, their pictures. How do they back that up so that when they get a new phone or something happens to their old phone, that they don't lose everything? We're going to take a look at that today. All right, what you're going to want to do first is connect to an internet source. Wi-Fi is best. Next, open your contacts. Now, in order to save your contacts, the easiest way is into Google Drive. So, most devices are going to be just like this. Select all. This right here, share. And it'll take just a couple minutes. Now what you want to do is select Save to Drive, and you'll get this. Click Save, and now the upload has started. You can keep an eye on the upload progress right there. Let's see. Right there, and then you're going to see one file uploaded. So, now we're going to save the picture. So open Google Photos, and it doesn't matter if you normally use a gallery. Google Photos is going to be the easiest one for this. So you're going to be in Google Photos, and what you want to look for is right up here at the top. See this little cloud with the check mark? That means your photos are backed up. As you can see, this is the video that I just recorded with another device. To check your settings, you open it up here, your menu, go to Settings, Backup and Sync. And you want to make sure this blue dot is checked off at all times. And that you have your backup account, and you know which backup account it is because many of us have several. And you want to make sure photos and videos are both checked. Again, make sure those are both checked. Okay. Now, if they are not backed up to Google Drive, if you're using a gallery, so you're going to press and hold, there's a picture, hit share, save to drive, click save, and it will upload. And you can check the progress right there. And you can save as many as you want to. Something else you can also do, you go over here, free up space. And this will automatically put it in cloud storage and remove it from your device, but you haven't lost it. You just click free up, and that's all you do. I've had devices I've lost. I've had devices that just stopped working. And I have learned the hard way to always make sure that I have everything backed up to cloud storage. And also, if you're working between multiple devices, multiple phones, a tablet, a computer, laptop, any of those things, it's going to make it super convenient for you. Because you're not going to have to hook your phone up either, with a USB cable or Bluetooth anything over, or with your memory card. Alright, next, what we're going to do, open your settings, scroll all the way down. We're going to go to System, Advanced, Backup. Make sure it says on. If it's not on, just tap it to open it, and then make sure this is blue. And then you're going to click back up now. And that's going to back up everything here. Most people want their text messages to come through. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I've yet to discover the exact cause behind why sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. It is what it is. And you can see here the progress. There's a little bar up here at the top that's going to scoot right on across there. And right now the only thing waiting to back up are SMS messages, regular text messages. Right now, it looks like it's working on photos and videos. Okay, so there you go. We have backed up contacts, we've backed up photos, all into Google Photos and into Google Cloud. And we have backed up the entire device to the Google account as well. So now you know. You don't have to sacrifice your content when you get a new device. So go ahead, back yours up now, just in case. You never know when you're going to get out of the gas station and drop the phone and never see it ever again like my J3. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell, get all the notifications for the new videos.